YouTube? It's your girl Stasia, and I'm back again with another one. Now today's video is going to be another unboxing, but this is going to be featuring the Dola Hair Company. Now I'm super duper excited to be doing a review for this unit today. I'm gonna give you all the details about this unit before we get started. So anyway, I purchased this unit on September 28th, which was obviously 2019, and that was on a Saturday. Now they actually delivered it 5 days later. 5 days later on Thursday, October 3rd, 2019, obviously. Now this is their 13x6 pre-plucked lace front bob. I ordered it in 613, which, you know, that's like that platinum blonde color, whatever. It's 14 inches long. The density is 150. Now the original price for this unit was $147.37. I paid $129.69. Why? Because like most other companies, Dola Hair Company had a 10% off coupon code. But anyway, yes, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing part. This is it, Dola Hair Company, and the box is so cute and chic to me. It did come a little bit bent, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the wig. But before I get into that, I will let y'all know the wig, they sent like one of those bands. They also sent an elastic band, but this band is like like a bra strap. Basically, it already comes with the hooks and everything on it. I'm not gonna open it, I don't feel like that, but y'all know what I mean. It already come with the hooks and stuff on it. I'll show y'all what I'm talking about in a minute. Then also it came with this little card inside. So this is 10% cash back of your order. So basically, if you upload a 30-second, you know, at least 30 seconds of a video install on Instagram, excuse me, yeah, you have to send them a message with your order number for the cash back. Make sure the video is in HD and, you know, provide hair details, etc. They will give you 10% cash back for what you purchase, which to me that's bomb, because I've never heard of any other company doing that. Not saying that no other company does that, but I'm just saying this is like a good little way to save on your unit. Anyway, this is the baby right here. So this is she. Like I said, she's supposed to be 14 inches, which doesn't quite look it, but that's fine with me. As you can see, they already have these in the inside, which I'm definitely going to be removing that because I do not use elastic bands at all. So it's two right here. It comes with two combs here, a comb here and a comb here, and like I said, it's 13x6. So yeah. Oh, and it also has the adjustable straps right here in the back. So yeah, this is the wig, you guys. Like I said, it was under $150. This hair is super duper soft. I really cannot wait to install this bad boy. Like I said, it is definitely pre-plucked. The hairline looks really good. I don't know if it's really coming up too well on camera, but from what I'm seeing, yeah, the hairline looks really good. I'm still going to pluck it. Obviously, I pluck all of my units, but yeah, I'm just going to lightly pluck it, nothing too major. All right, guys, so as y'all can see right here, I'm going to be shampooing my unit. Well, actually toning my unit. Now, a cheaper route that you can take is to purchase some Shimmer and Light shampoo. FYI, just purchase some Shimmer and Light shampoo and you do not have to worry about buying all the boxes of toner and all that good stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to be toning my unit as well as adding some dimension to the color before I add the pink on top. Now this step right here is totally optional. You do not have to do that step. Now, to avoid staining your unit, making it lavender purple, I suggest that you just lather the shampoo up into your hand first and then shampoo your unit with it. So that will definitely tone your wig, but it will not stain it purple. But like I said, I wanted those purple, you know, highlights throughout the unit or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just going to keep adding the shampoo just little by little until I get it to the desired color that I want it. But next I'll be getting my water ready. Now with this step right here, a lot of people go wrong because they add too much water. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how much water I use, which is honestly not a lot at all. So next I'll be adding in my Adore rinse in the color Pink Blush. Now I did purchase 2 bottles of this rinse, but I only ended up using one. One actually was enough for me because I know that the more color you use, the more pigmented and the more pigmented the color will turn out. So one was actually enough for me. And yeah, as you can see right here, that's how it came out. Well, that's how it looked with just me submerging it for not even 5 seconds. But yeah, so this was the results of the color. I'm loving it. As you could kind of see some of the purple effects, you will see it more when I actually dry the unit. I can see the colors more. But anyway, so that was it. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. I ended up plucking my unit off camera, but next I will be showing you guys how I flat iron it and install it. So again, I thank you guys so very much for returning back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions or suggestions, and do not forget to subscribe. I thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Alright y'all, so that wraps up this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I thank you guys so very much for returning back to my channel, and I definitely look forward to seeing y'all in the next one. Bye y'all.